Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Abdul Rashid from Qatar. I need information about your Urdu TV channel. I am not receiving it since 3 years ago in Qatar. I am getting this channel information from Google too. Is it running or stopped? Please send some information about Urdu TV channel, whether it's available in Qatar or not. The question posed by the brother is that he has been watching Peace TV Urdu since a long time, but since 3 years he is not getting the Urdu Islamic channel. The name of the channel is Peace TV Urdu. So he's asking that is the channel running? How can he see it? Alhamdulillah, we have got 4 satellite channels which are 24/7. Number 1 is Peace TV English. Number 2 is Peace TV Urdu. Number 3 is Peace TV Bangla. And number 4 is Peace TV Chinese. As far as our satellite channels are concerned, we see to it that we are present on multiple satellites. The more number of satellites you're present is, more number of eyeballs, the more number of people are watching. Our first channel, Peace TV English, was launched in 2006. Then we launched Peace TV Urdu in 2009. Then we launched Peace TV Bangla in 2011. And we launched Peace TV Chinese in 2015. As far as Peace TV is concerned, Peace TV started in 2009, and since its inception, it's growing. It's always there. So you are not able to watch Peace TV in Qatar. Maybe your dish has got shifted, or the direction of your dish has shifted. As far as Qatar is concerned, there are 2 satellites which show Peace TV Urdu. One is the Arabsat, the other is the Intelsat 20. The Arabsat is watched more by the Arabs, who know Arabic as a language. The non-Arabs, they watch other satellite, and the other famous satellite is that it is the Intelsat 20. So Alhamdulillah, we are present on both. On Arabsat, which is very famous among the Arab world, it covers the whole of the Middle East, it covers the whole of Europe, and very beneficial. But the Peace TV is also seen on Intelsat 20, which is seen more by the Asian people, the Indian, the Pakistani. And on Asiasat 20, Intelsat 20, sorry, not Asiasat, Intelsat 20, it is the satellite which has the largest footprint. It covers more than 70% of the world population. It is seen in Middle East, it's seen in India, it's seen in the Indian subcontinent, all the countries, that is Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Maldives, etc. So, Peace TV is present in Qatar since 2006. The Urdu, the Peace TV Chinese, the Peace TV Urdu is present in 2009, and even today is present. Only thing you have to shift your dish. So if you shift your dish in the angle of 68 degrees east, then inshallah you will be able to watch and see Peace TV Urdu. And recently, or maybe 4 years back, we are even telecasting our Peace TV Urdu and Peace TV English on PakSat, on Pakistan Sat. So the brothers came, they set up and they went away. But now it's also available on PakSat, thus the viewership of Peace TV has increased. But previously, people only used to watch on the other platform. So the more number of satellites that you are in a particular region, the more number of eyeballs, because Arabsat is mainly watched by the Arabs. They don't watch Asiasat or Intelsat. So that is the reason that we started even PakSat, so that more of the Urdu audience can watch. So now at present we are on 3 satellites, and all 3 are covering the Middle East and even covering Singapore and also covering the other countries. So by this network, Alhamdulillah, Peace TV Urdu is seen on 3 satellites in Qatar, that is Arabsat, Intelsat 20 as well as Asiasat. Asiasat 7. Hope that answers.